episode 149 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about the benefits and the drawbacks of actually setting up the debt management plan. So let's get right on into it. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. Remember that I really only answer questions or reply to comments from subscribers because I have so many comments. I just make a priority to people that subscribe. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you want me to actually reply back to your comment. Now, the first thing is the best benefit is that you guys are possibly going to get lower interest rates. So when you guys sign up for these debt management plans, the credit counseling agency should talk to your creditors and negotiate a lower interest rate. And that's going to be good because it's going to help you pay off your debt faster, because the lower interest rate that you are paying, that means more money is actually going towards the actual debt, like the balance of what you actually owe. So that's really nice. Now, you also have simplified payments. So you're going to make one monthly payment to the credit agency. What they're going to do is they're going to distribute this to all your counselors. It's just going to make your finances so much easier. Just make that one payment. I told you guys about how I follow Dave Ramsey, lowest to highest, start ticking them off that way, just paying them off that way. But it takes a lot of thought to do that. You're not just paying one simple amount. You got to figure out what extra money you have left over after your bills, and you got to put all that on your debt. So definitely this is much more simplified. Also, you have reduced or eliminated fees. A lot of times when they negotiate these debts, they reduce your fees. So the creditor will say they'll waive some of your late fees or any type of other penalty you will have, and that's just going to help you avoid any additional costs. And you guys are possibly going to stop these collection costs because the creditors are typically prohibited from contacting you directly about your collections once you are in these type of plans. So that's really good. It's just less stress. I know dealing with these companies and having them call you all the time, it can be very irritating. Also, you have the structured repayment plan. So usually you guys are going to have these paid off in 3 to 5 years. It's going to be structured. You're going to stay focused, stay motivated. You know exactly what you're paying based off of whatever you set up in your plan. So it's very structured for you all. Another thing is you're going to get credit counseling support. So if you ever have any questions, you're going to be able to ask them, your credit counselor, any questions that you have. And then also they're going to give you financial education at the same time. Now, I know we talked about a lot of great things, but we do have some drawbacks. So we definitely do have some drawbacks when it comes down to all of these different plans. So there could be an impact to your credit score. So while you're going through the debt management plan, there can be impacts to your credit score. You may see that some accounts may be reporting you late and you're waiting on them to start reporting you current, or report that you do have some type of payment plan set up. But even sometimes if they were to say you have some type of payment plan set up, depending on what comments they put, some creditors can look down on that, like what's going on with this account. You do have to pay fees usually for these credit counseling agencies to set up or even manage your plan. You guys are going to have limited unsecured debt. So generally, these are going to cover unsecured debt such as credit card balances, medical bills, and personal loans. So secured debt like mortgages, car loans are not included in this type of plan. So keep that in mind. Commitment is required. You are setting up a plan, and typically going to take 3 to 5 years. So you guys have to understand that this is not an overnight thing. This is a commitment saying that you're going to actually do this. You have the potential reagent of your accounts too. You have to think about a reagent as you're going to pay these companies. So now the last date of activity can be the last date of payment. So now you're reaging these debts. So keep that in mind. Some debts you probably don't want to put into this plan because they're going to be outside the statute of limitations and they can't necessarily sue you anymore, so you may not want to put them in the plan. So just look at potential reagent of your accounts, because it's very serious. Also, creditor participation. Not all creditors may agree to participate in this. You have to understand that, or they may offer like a good terms for it. You might not like what they offer. You might just say, you know what, this is not what I want. So just keep all of that in mind when you guys think about the benefits and the drawbacks of the debt management. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and this can actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card. Apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the Mega Dispute Letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you have any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports with Identity IQ. And it's $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.